Okay, we're in a trailer park here, and we're gonna replace this worn out outlet here. Oh, good, we don't have to replace the boxes on these.
Are they in there solid?
The box is okay, yes.
Alright.
Nice if I could find my other flathead. But if I can't, I can't. And I'm not going to get upset about it. If it's missing, it's missing. If the head is screwed up, guess what? Oh, I'm done. What you do is you pull out rather than paw through everything. And if the screw head is messed up, you take it out with the pliers. If that doesn't work, you just fight it with a flathead. Well, it's going to come out the hard way, so we'll just do it the hard way, that's all. By any chance, do you have a flathead screwdriver?
I don't know if I do or not. Now what?
A regular flathead screwdriver. The one I have is just a little too thick.
I do believe this one is yours.
Oh, can you bring it?
I can't get one.
I'll throw it over this way. That's probably the one I... No, that's not the one I lost. Nope, that's a Phillips. No, that's not it.
Is it Phillips?
Yeah, I need a flathead.
Oh, okay. I think this one is yours though, because
It does look like... This thing is messed up.
Adam!
And unfortunately... Do you have a smaller flathead screwdriver?
I don't have a flathead, no. I just, this is...
Because this box just broke off into the wall, forcing it in.
She don't have a... She needs a flathead.
Yeah. That might have one.
Let me just see if they have a flathead. Give me a second.
Because I lost my smaller one. And I guess the Lord wants me not to have it, I guess. So, you don't get upset. You just go looking for one until you find one, that's all.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, we're going to borrow a smaller one. Can you do a favor for me and...
He just went out that front door, just... Adam!
We need
Yeah, I need you to hold this box out so I can... Like, keep your hand up here and hold this. Squeezing in on it as I pull.
Yep, I got it.
Oh, you know what? If you can't get it out, guess what? You can. You know? And I guess that screw is messed up. So you know what? We're going to have to just pry it out. And do you want to break it out, or?
I mean, however you want to do it. Oops. However you want to do it.
Okay, the screw head is messed up, so we have to destroy it. That's the only way.
So you got to do what you got to do, Dave.
Yep, that's what we got to do.
That's the only way you got to do it.
Yep, it's got to go the hard way. So so we don't get upset. We don't
Nope,
get
nope.
frustrated.
Nope, just do it the
Hard way.
hard way. So when in doubt, do it the hard way, dude.
Yes. Don't take God's name in vain. Don't get frustrated. You just do it the hard way.
That's all you have to do. Alright, toss that away.
Okay, now if we can grab that and pry it out.
Yeah, if you can just pry the thing out.
Okay, so we're going to try to get that screw out, and if we can, we can, and if we can't, we can't, right?
Yep.
And it looks like we can't, so we'll just destroy the box and just pull it out like that.
Okay.
And the sheetrock is all wrecked and ruined. So,
Is it wet back in there?
yes, it's wet.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been like that for a while.
Yeah. So just try this torch because it's left on the door. And you had that.
Oh, I remember that. Back, you had that glass side door for years.
Yep, and it was just leaking in all the way around it when it rained.
So we could move it up. We'll just take this apart. We'll have to put another box up above.
Alright, I'll get that.
And I'll put it in up above.
And here's the safe for
Okay.
your box and your outlet.
Hopefully the other ones come out a lot easier.
Oh, hopefully. Which ones is the one? Just those two in there?
I think those two and this one.
The one behind here is getting.
This one's already been done.
So you
That one was done, that one was done.
Yep.
That one was
so
done.
you just need the one behind you done too.
Yeah, that one's gotta be done.
Oh, that's why you're doing 3 today. Okay, I got another one of these. I think I bought more of these. Get you the new outlets and the new
Yeah.
boxes.
So we have everything, and then take back what you got.
Well, I told you gonna be take back. Cause we bought four of these and these the other day.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use 3, so I can take back 2 or 1 of each.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to put the outlet up higher here. We're going to go here, 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 here. Now we're going to cut across our line here and here. And we're going to bring these wires up. The joy of losing things and not having things always makes it a nice challenge, doesn't it?
Well, I knew that one that I gave you, the Phillips had one, it wasn't here before, so.
Yeah.
Maybe you left that one here too.
I might have. But it's all, I love losing things, because if you didn't love it, it would frustrate you, you know?
Yeah.
So you just learn to love it and enjoy struggling without what you need, you know?
Did you get out? Let her come over with me.
I'm just hoping the rest of them are easier.
They should be.
So would you have a piece of plywood to put in here?
And where?
In where I'm taking out the,
Or
yeah.
I'm going to have this over in Jessica.
Okay, so now we can pass our wires up to our new hole here.
I'll just try to check on her. She's trying to make the greatest escape by Connor. She's sneaky, ain't she? Very sneaky.
Let me see if Jessica can give me a piece of plywood. Okay, you are up. And then Adam calls on you a piece of plywood. They're putting the kitchen work out there and give us a corner of it. She's doing it.
Okay. Do you have a piece of wire anywhere, Adam?
I don't have any wire. Like, what kind of wire are you looking for?
It's a pigtail of ground wire.
Yeah, I don't think we have any
You
wire.
have any electrical wire over there? Come on, look and see. Jesse said he may have extra over there.
Alright, well, let me
He's
know.
gonna look.
Let me know.
Just let me know. Well, that's in the safe.
Oh, can you get me those wire caps?
Oh, the cap? Yeah.
Yeah.
He said he might have electrical wire up there
Okay.
from when you did the house or did something up there.
Okay.
And I'll watch over stuff in the back room. Did you cut it so the wire doesn't go long enough?
No, I have enough on this one, but in case we need it on another
There you
one. Okay, good.
Here's the cap.
Yeah, that's good.
Did he have the wire?
No, I know.
Oh, I didn't know if that
No,
was there.
no. I said, I'm sure he'll let us know if he has it or not.
Yeah. So how much wire do you need?
Just like maybe a foot, a couple feet. Jesse, can you take my sweatshirt out to the car?
When you moved that one higher, did it make it so it doesn't reach the other one?
No, there was enough wire behind it.
So what's the new wire for?
Oh, in case if it happens on another one and the wire is short.
Oh,
What?
oh, okay.
The old work box will have our little tabs that swing out. So we'll stick our wires into our box here. Put it in our wall here.
I have this. I think I got this
Yes,
when,
that's-
when you did the electric over there.
Okay, yes, that's what I need. Thank
I
you.
thought I threw it away, but
Yeah, don't ever throw that stuff away.
well, it's been forever, and I didn't think I was gonna need it. But then I must have not. I just must have thought I might have needed it in the future, so I did keep it. But for a minute, I did thought of throwing it away.
Okay, we're gonna get a piece of tail wire out of here.
Want to throw it, don't it?
Did you do the order from Walmart yesterday or no?
Yeah, did you get it? Your stuff never came.
You said you were gonna do another one after.
Oh, yeah, it's supposed to be in before you went to the corner for me. You need the cat food, I know.
No, they can have that, but I really wanted the chicken tenders.
How you doing, Jesse?
I'm pretty good.
Good. Where are you working now?
Through Walmart.
Good.
But not actually at Walmart.
Make sure they're even on the end here.
How'd you like it yesterday?
What?
Didn't you start yesterday? Oh.
I really do like that fan.
We use wire nuts here in the country I was born in. This is so you can, for your ground wires. And you can leave one wire longer and bring it through that hole there, but this time we're pigtailing them this way because they were too short.
I'll buy a cheap one.
That van came out really nice, didn't it?
Yeah, that's why it cost so much when I got it. Step took the other one, so that's in the girls' apartment.
Oh, the other one that you bought new? You bought new?
Yeah.
Ah.
I wasn't sure if it. Actually, I did get this one for my living room because it did have that thing on it. Because the one for my room was just one for a flat surface. This one was like in case you have to, because of pitch roof.
Yeah.
So that's why I did buy that one for the living room because I do have a pitch roof in the living room. Well, we get chicken dinners today.
I will.
Bye, Luke. Bye, Luke.
Okay, so here in the country I was born in, we use 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps, 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps. Black is live, white is neutral, the bare or the green is the ground. Red and blue are also live colors, however you may find white live in a 110, 120 volt switch loop or on a 220, 240 volt appliance where the appliance does not require a neutral. So now we'll hook our wires up to our device here. We're going to put the white goes on the silver screw, which is the wider slot. The black goes on the brass screw, which is the narrow slot. And the ground wire goes on the green screw. Make sure it's nice and tight like that. We'll put our two white wires on the silver screws. You always put your wire around the screw, the direction your screw turns. Like this. Like that. Okay, you get a nice solid connection like that. Make sure you don't get your insulation caught under the screw heads. Now we'll put our blacks on the brass colored screws. Make sure you get the copper under the screw head all the way around. Like that there. How are you doing?
Yeah.
Good. there's the connections we want.
I thought they already fixed that one.
Okay, so we'll zigzag our ground wire across the bottom here. Okay, so we'll go up and down like an accordion with our white. And we'll do the same with our black. Up and down like an accordion. We'll try our Phillips, see if it goes any better. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, it does. Yeah, it's not going to work. Can you have Adam come in and pull the stuff out for the other one?
Adam!
Let me make sure our ground wire stays down away from everything here.
We need.
I'm ready to do this one next.
Alright, give me a second.
Okay.
Watch you don't go through that floor.
Nice.
You have a piece of plywood or something to cover this hole down here, right?
Yeah.
In the wall, I mean, not the floor.
Not yet. I will find something else.
I'm gonna let the outlet push the wires in because you can see how all this sheetrock is not very sturdy on the wall here.
You done with everything out there?
Oh, we need to get some new covers, don't we?
I can pick them up.
Hello. You're in the laundry room. So you're on
We
the
have
floor.
the cover in here somewhere. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't.
Yes, because they just got washed.